Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. In this video, you will see careless drivers when faced with obstacles, pedestrians and blind spots. A technical term I will use here is weak situational awareness. The video clips I am sharing with you today demonstrate drivers having weak situational awareness. This snapshot from the first video shows you everything that is wrong with Hong Kong's city streets. The hazards you can see are: number 1, cars double parked on the one-way streets; 2, a cyclist riding into oncoming traffic; and 3, an ineffective give-way line that is blocked by an illegally parked car. So, as the video plays, please take a look at what unfolds. There is so much going on here, not least of all jaywalkers, which we will come back to later. However, it is the widespread illegal parking that makes this a ticking time bomb. There are cars parked on the corners of the junction, and one of these cars contributes to the crash. The car, a Mercedes, is parked at the junction corner and blocks the view from vehicles at the give-way line. However, the red minibus doesn't even bother to acknowledge the give-way line and continues moving forward without slowing down or taking any precautions whatsoever. The silver boxcar appears to be taking the situation cautiously, but in fact, the driver seems to be distracted because he doesn't even see the red minibus until it is too late. This is simply unbelievable. And then there are the jaywalkers who can easily be hit too. This scene, with all the hazards, is a ticking time bomb. What is certain is that the authorities know about the double parking on these one-way streets and will not take any action because no one has been killed in these frequent traffic accidents. Until there is a fatality, the authorities will not take any significant action. There are many similar places like this street scene all over Hong Kong, and they are all ticking time bombs. The next clip is a similar situation where a driver shows weak situational awareness. It is a one-way street, so the driver is paying attention only to oncoming traffic from the left and is also aware of the car parked immediately to the right at the give-way junction. The driver knows that when the coast is clear, he has to move forward first before turning right in order to miss the illegally parked car. With these two procedures on the driver's mind, the fact that there is a jaywalker present is a total surprise to the driver, who almost runs over the man. This clip is just shocking. It is another jaywalker, and it's another weak situational awareness incident where the truck driver is solely focused on turning right and is unaware of anything unfolding during the incident. First, why is this man jaywalking in the first place? There are other pedestrians who seem to be crossing at the correct places, which are called pedestrian crossings. Second, why couldn't the truck driver see the jaywalker until it was too late? Being a driver on Hong Kong roads really tests your observational skills, your dynamic understanding of new information, and of your ability to anticipate. These three factors are known as the stages of situational awareness. Wikipedia states that situational awareness is the perception of environmental elements and events with respect to time or space, the comprehension of their meaning, and the perception of their future status. I cannot stress enough that drivers in Hong Kong need to have good situational awareness. Here is my own example of having situational awareness, where it is important to understand oncoming traffic and jaywalkers and to anticipate their probable actions. Unexpected events are unfolding before me and I need to have good situational awareness. There is an oncoming taxi ahead who is crossing over onto my side of the road, and also a cyclist behind the taxi, and there are jaywalkers up ahead who prevent me from moving into the left lane. From these examples, it is clear we need to be more observant. We need to be aware of unexpected things happening, and we need to anticipate. I hope everyone can improve their situational awareness. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.